Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. So today we are going to continue with our lesson. I hope you are doing your PBD. If you have any questions, you can just ask me through Hangout. Okay. So for those who are done or for those who are still preparing for their PBD, you can do this exercise today. Okay. So today is lesson 24th November. Today is Tuesday. We are going to learn about noun. Okay, so a noun is a word that means that names a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. Okay, a noun can tell who or what. It answers the question who. Who is that man? Okay, so man is a noun. Okay, who is that man? That man is Arif. Okay, so Arif is also a noun. Okay, so what is for things, animals, places. Okay, all right, let's move on. All right, now nouns are divided into two. Okay, it consists of two, which is common nouns and proper nouns. Okay, common nouns are general person, places, or things. Okay, for example, a boy. Okay, budak lelaki. School, sekolah. Car, kereta. Okay, so these are common nouns. Now, proper nouns, Ali, SK Melawati, and also Proton Saga. Okay, so these are proper nouns, specific person. Who is that boy? That boy is Ali. Okay, so remember proper nouns must be in capital letter. If you have two names, for example, Marisa Sophia, M must be in capital letter, S must also be in capital letter. Okay, remember proper nouns must be in capital letter. Okay, this includes the day of the week, for example, Monday, Tuesday, all of these must be in capital letter. Okay, the first letter must be in capital. And then same goes to days of month. Okay, February, November must also be in capital. Okay, all right, let's move on. Now, there's also singular nouns and plural nouns. Okay, now plural nouns and singular nouns is mostly for common nouns. Okay, proper nouns, for example, Ali. We don't have Alice. Okay, usually we have boy and boys. Okay, let's look at the example. Okay, bird, when it's plural, it becomes birds. Okay, we put S to it. Okay, and then apple. Okay, it becomes apples. Okay, then cat became cats. Okay, plural is when it is more than one. Okay, for example, we have one bird but four birds. Okay, it's very easy. Remember, singular is for one single, just one thing, and then plural it is more than one. Okay, now plural noun are more than one person, animal, things, or idea. Okay, now plural noun has several rules. Okay, now some words we have to add s to it. Okay, for example, dreams, flowers, shoes. We only add the word the letter s. Okay, some we have to put the letter es. Okay, usually the ones that ends with ch or sh. For example, lunches, flashes, masses, boxes. Okay, so these are the words that we have to put es to it. Okay, we can also have to choose to change if the word ends with y. We have to drop the y and add ies. For example, babies, family, story. Okay, you have to throw away the y and you have to put ies. Okay. Next, there are also words that ends with f. You have to drop the f and add ves. For example, wolf. It becomes wolves. Shelves. It becomes shelves. Wife. It becomes wives. Okay. Drop the f and add ves. Alright. Now, there's also irregular nouns. It means that the word is changed. Okay. Sometimes it changed the whole word. Sometimes it just changed one letter. For example, mouse. It became mice. Child become children. Man become men. Tooth became teeth. Okay. Food became feet. Woman becomes woman. Person, people. Okay. There's no persons. Yeah. Person becomes people. Goose are geese. Deer doesn't change. Same as fish. There's no fishes actually. Yeah. Okay, so there's no deers also. So deer and fish does not change. Alright? Alright, so these are the words that we have to change. Okay, sometimes we change brushes. Okay, then ES, watches. Okay, vowel and Y, for example, monkey. It ends with EY, so it does not change. It becomes S. We only put S to it. Alright, same goes to word that ends with SS. We have to put ES to it. We cannot have 3 S's in a row. So glasses. Okay, then bus. Same goes to the word that ends with 1 S. We have to put ES, buses. And lastly, the word that ends with X have to put ES, boxes. Okay, so it's very easy, but you really have to be careful, especially the ones that ends with the letter Y or F or some irregular nouns. Okay, you have to memorize these type of words so that you know what the plural form is. This is what we call a plural form, the word when it is more than one. Okay, so the plural form is the ones that we put this one, ES, okay, S. So these are what we call plural form. Okay, 1 monkey, 2 monkeys. Okay. Right, I hope this is not too difficult for you. Alright, now let's move on to countable nouns and uncountable nouns. We saw a bit of this during the year. Okay, countable nouns are the things that can be counted. It can be singular or plural. Okay, it means that we have to put a, and, the, or two. Okay, a sandwich, 2 sandwiches. Okay, the apples, an apple. Okay, so we can count it, 1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apple. Alright, so those are countable nouns. Uncountable nouns are words that cannot be counted. Okay, it is always singular. For example, bread. There's no breads. Okay, we have to eat some bread. Okay, if you want to specify it, I want to take a piece of bread. Okay, you cannot say I want to take a bread, a loaf of bread. Okay, same goes for sugar, flour, salt. I cannot take a sugar. Okay, a cup of sugar, a spoon of sugar. Yes. Alright, so this is how we know the countable nouns to the uncountable nouns. Okay, the uncountable because we cannot count it. For example, sugar. Sugar is very small. We cannot take 1 sugar, 2 sugar, 3 sugar. No, we can take 1 spoon of sugar, 2 spoon of sugar. Right? So we use the word some and a few. We can have some sugar. We can have some cereal. Okay? We can have a few fruit. Okay? So, I think it's very easy. Now, let's answer the quiz to see how much you understand nouns. Remember, the quiz will be in the Google Classroom 15 minutes after the class starts. Okay, so about 3:15. Okay, read carefully. You can look at the notes again, or you can watch this video again, and make sure you really understand nouns before you answer the quiz. Okay, you can also do the quiz a few times until you get all correct. Okay, so that's all. I'll see you guys soon. Any question you can just ask me in the hangout. Okay, all right. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.